point in time. Protest is continuing in Kolkata over what happened with the 31-year-old doctor. In the latest, we have visuals from different parts of West Bengal where protests are currently taking place. Let's go across to Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Sabyasachi, tell us where exactly you are and the protests that are now going on.
Well, the protest is going on in various locations across the city. In Shambazar More, it is the BJP which is holding a massive protest at Dhanna. Now, the BJP has got a permission from the Calcutta High Court to hold a protest for the next 5 days. In fact, the BJP had approached the Calcutta High Court because the Kolkata police were not allowing the BJP to hold Dhanna in the city. Now, on the other hand, the doctors, the protesting doctors who have been protesting in various hospitals across the city, be it in RG Kar Hospital or the Calcutta Medical College, all these doctors have marched towards the Shastro Bhavan, where the present principal of RG Kar Medical Hospital is there. Now, these doctors have been alleging that after there has been a change in the administration, the new principal is nowhere to be seen, as the principal has conveyed this message to the doctors and to the administration that she would be holding the day-to-day function of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital from the Shastro Bhavan. Now, the protesting doctors say that the administration has done very least, and the security arrangement is still questionable at RG Kar Hospital. Now, various protests. On one hand, the Congress is also holding a protest in the city. Now, in the coming days, several rallies have been planned today in the evening at around 7:30 when Saurav Ganguly would be holding a protest along with his wife at Behala Chaurasta More, and also the group of intellectuals would be assembling at Moulali More. There they will be holding a protest, and they would be participating in a protest march from Moulali More. Now, in this protest, whether it is Anupam Kher or Vivek Agnihotri and Shopun Dasgupta, all these personalities will be present in this particular protest. So across the city, massive protest has been planned by various organizations.
Right, and thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. So some prominent citizens, as you were telling us, are also going to join this protest of the resident doctors in Kolkata this evening. Meanwhile, here's another report sent to us by my colleague Tej Shri on another protest that took place earlier today.